What if you could go beyond the average clean? What if you could clean the unseen? Introducing a revolutionary new tool in your quest to clear your home of viruses, bacteria and dirt at a fraction of the cost of other floor cleaning systems. Windup is ergonomically designed with you in mind to create a more efficient way to tackle your dirty floors. Windup's long-lasting microfiber roll is simply revolutionary. Clean and disinfect up to 20,000 square feet in one roll. A single touch is all it takes. You'll never have to stop, change or touch a dirty pad again. Just advance the roll and keep going. Go further than any cleaning device has gone before. Go beyond the average and step into the new age of clean. Order your Windup today.